In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gmail emails into Notion. We'll use Notion Mail so your messages can live right alongside your notes and projects. All you need is your Notion workspace and a Google account. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. If you aren't signed in yet, click Log In. Choose the Google option to sign in with your Google account and select the account you want to use. This keeps everything seamless, so the same Google identity is used throughout the setup. Once you're in Notion, open the Notion Mail area. You can find it from your workspace home. It's the built-in inbox where your emails will appear. Inside Notion Mail, click Connect to Google. This opens a Google authorization window that links your Gmail to Notion. Click Continue to begin. If you're prompted to choose an account again, select the same Google account you used to log in. You'll see a permission screen from Google that outlines what Notion needs to read and manage mail, show your profile and email address, and sync related items. For the smoothest experience, click Select All so Notion Mail can import emails and keep things in sync properly. Then click Continue to confirm. You may see a quick consent summary from Google, review it, and press Continue once more. You'll be brought back to Notion Mail to finish up. Click Continue to complete the connection. Now head back to your Notion homepage if needed, and open Notion Mail again to refresh the view. At this point, your Gmail is connected and your emails will start appearing in Notion Mail. The first sync can take a moment, especially if you have a large inbox. When messages arrive, you can open them, read the full content, and keep working without leaving Notion. If you don't immediately see messages, give it a minute and refresh the page. A few quick tips as you go. If a Google window doesn't appear during connection, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for Notion. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you selected the correct one for the inbox you want in Notion. You can review or adjust access later from your Google account security settings. And if your workspace has admin controls, make sure integrations are allowed so the connection can complete. That's it. Your Gmail is now flowing into Notion Mail, ready to organize alongside your notes, tasks, and projects.